Welcome, dear viewers, to our channel. Today, we invite you to embark on an exciting journey with us as we follow the steps of an exceptionally talented young man. With his creativity and determination, he takes on the challenge of building a house so unique and astonishing that it will completely change the way you think about handcrafted architecture. From the very first stone laid to the final touches, every detail is filled with his passion and ingenuity. Stay tuned as we reveal a masterpiece that proves anything is possible with skill, vision, and hard work. With steady determination, he begins the journey by carving deep into the earth, shaping the foundation of what will soon become his extraordinary home. Each stroke of his tool bites into the soil, the rhythmic sound echoing through the still surroundings. Sweat trickles down his brow, yet his focus never falters. Every measurement of timber is done with painstaking precision. Each beam is inspected, marked, and cut to fit perfectly into place. With the foundation firmly in place, he begins raising the tall vertical pillars, each one carefully positioned to bear the weight of the future home. One by one, the sturdy posts rise against the sky, their alignment checked with precision to ensure perfect balance. Every pillar stands as a promise of the house's strength and durability, marking the next crucial step toward turning his vision into reality. With the vertical pillars now firmly anchored, he advances to the next stage of construction, carving the intricate joints that will form the backbone of the roof frame. Each stroke of his chisel is deliberate, the sharp edge biting into the timber with rhythmic precision. Sawdust drifts through the air, catching the light like tiny golden sparks. His hands, steady and experienced, shape interlocking joints that fit so perfectly they seem almost seamless. Every cut strengthens the frame, ensuring that the roof will stand firm against the elements for years to come. Around him, the scattered beams slowly transform into a cohesive structure, each carefully crafted joint bringing the skeleton of the house one step closer to life. This is the moment where raw wood begins to resemble the dream he has been carrying in his mind, a roof that will shelter and protect, held together by his dedication and skill. He begins gathering countless stones from the mountain stream, each one carefully chosen for its size and shape. With tireless effort, he carries basket after basket, the sound of rushing water accompanying his every step. The stones, smooth and weathered by nature, will soon become the solid foundation and sturdy walls of his dream house, each piece a testament to the hard work behind the build. He begins mixing rich, heavy clay with the river stones he has collected, his hands moving with practiced precision. Each scoop of clay blends with the stones, binding them together into a solid mass. Slowly, the mixture takes shape, becoming the sturdy threshold of his future home. Every layer is packed tightly, ensuring strength and stability that will endure for years. This foundation, born of earth and stone, marks another milestone in his journey to bring his vision to life. With the sturdy clay and stone base complete, he carefully lays evenly cut wooden planks across the threshold. Each plank is measured and fitted with precision, their smooth surfaces forming a perfect layer of wood that rests securely on the foundation. The rhythmic sound of hammering fills the air as the planks lock into place, transforming the raw base into a warm and inviting entryway. He tirelessly collects stones from the mountain stream, each one chosen for its strength, shape, and smoothness. Basket by basket, he carries them back, the weight of nature's raw materials pressing against his shoulders. The stones, polished by flowing water over countless years, are destined to become the sturdy flooring of his future home. Carefully washed and sorted, they wait to be arranged into a foundation that will stand the test of time. After hours of hard work, the floor finally takes shape, each river stone laid firmly in place. The surface is smooth and polished, reflecting the light like a mosaic of nature's own design. Every step on this floor feels solid and steady, a perfect blend of strength and beauty that turns the once rough ground into a welcoming foundation for the home. He begins by selecting sturdy logs, then carefully cuts each one into short, round segments of equal length. The saw moves with steady precision, filling the air with the scent of fresh wood and the rhythmic sound of slicing. Each piece is measured to perfection, ensuring they will fit together seamlessly in the next stage of construction. Piled neatly by his side, the uniform logs stand ready to become an essential part of his dream home. With the wooden frame firmly in place, he turns to the walls, gathering rich, malleable clay and mixing it with water and fine earth until the texture is perfect. The scent of fresh clay rises as he kneads and folds it, each handful sticky yet pliable in his skilled hands. Carefully, he presses the clay against the wooden lattice, layering it bit by bit, shaping every inch with precision. The once empty skeleton of the house begins to fill with sturdy, handcrafted walls, their earthy tones glowing warmly in the sunlight. Every section is packed tightly, ensuring strength against wind, rain, and time itself. As the walls rise higher, the house gains its true character, a shelter born from earth, wood, and the relentless dedication of its builder, transforming his vision into a living reality. With the clay walls steadily taking shape, he turns his attention to the entryways. Pre-assembled wooden frames, each carefully measured and crafted, are brought to the site. He checks every angle, ensuring the frames are square and perfectly aligned with the walls. Slowly, he lifts each frame into position, securing it firmly within the clay structure. The hollow spaces for doors and windows now stand out, giving the once solid walls a sense of depth and inviting openness. Each frame marks a new stage of progress, bringing the dream home closer to life. With the clay walls firmly in place, he turns to the finishing touches, covering each wall with rows of short wooden logs. Every log is cut to the same length and carefully measured to fit, leaving no gaps between them. He lifts each piece, aligns it perfectly, and secures it against the wall with steady, practiced movements. The natural grain of the wood brings warmth and texture, transforming the plain clay surface into something vibrant and alive. The sound of wood meeting wall echoes rhythmically, marking each step of progress. Slowly, the walls are entirely sheathed in wood, layer after layer adding strength and insulation. What was once just a skeleton of earth and wood now feels solid and inviting a cozy, handcrafted shelter built to endure the test of time and nature. In the corner of the nearly finished home, he begins crafting a sturdy stone stove, an essential heart of the dwelling. Carefully, he selects river stones of various sizes, their weathered surfaces carrying the marks of time. One by one, he stacks them with precision, each stone interlocking to form a stable base. Layer after layer rises, the structure taking shape as a robust, heat-retaining stove. He smooths the inner surface, creating a firebox designed to hold warmth even on the coldest nights. As the final stone is set in place, the once empty corner transforms into a solid, functional hearth, a place where meals will be cooked and the home will be filled with warmth and light. With the house nearly complete, he shifts his focus to the outdoors, carefully cladding the surrounding area with neatly cut wooden planks. Each board is measured and fitted with precision, forming a clean, even surface that wraps around the house like a warm embrace. The sound of hammering echoes through the clearing as every plank locks into place, giving the exterior a natural rustic charm. Bit by bit, the raw ground transforms into a polished wooden courtyard, a welcoming space that connects the house to its natural surroundings and completes the vision of his handcrafted home. At last, the moment arrives to complete the wooden roof, the crown of his handcrafted home. He carefully lifts each beam, securing them one by one onto the sturdy frame. The rhythmic thud of wood meeting wood fills the air as the skeleton of the roof slowly comes together. Piece by piece, the planks overlap, forming a seamless shield that will protect the house from wind, sun, and rain. From below, the rich grains of the wood glow warmly, turning the structure into a true sanctuary. As the final plank is set in place, the house finally feels whole, its wooden roof standing as both a shelter and a testament to the builder's tireless dedication. From towering tree trunks, he begins the meticulous task of transforming raw wood into perfectly thin, even slices. Each heavy log is carefully secured before the saw bites into it, its rhythmic cutting filling the air with a deep, resonant hum. Fine sawdust swirls like golden mist, carrying the rich scent of fresh timber. Stroke after stroke, the once massive, unyielding trunks give way, revealing smooth, slender planks that gleam under the sunlight. He checks each slice for uniformity, aligning them neatly into oily stacks. These thin wooden layers, born from strength and patience, will soon serve as the finishing touch of his handcrafted home. Their presence a quiet testament to the precision and devotion poured into every detail of the build. With the sturdy roof frame standing tall, he begins the crucial task of attaching the carefully prepared wooden planks. Each plank, cut to precise measurements, is lifted and set into place with steady hands. The rhythmic thud of hammering echoes through the clearing as one plank overlaps the next, creating a seamless shield of wood. Sunlight glints off the smooth surfaces, highlighting the rich, natural grain. Slowly, the raw frame transforms into a solid, weatherproof roof, ready to guard the home against rain, wind, and the passage of time. Every piece locked into place is a mark of his skill and patience, bringing the house one step closer to becoming a warm and secure haven. With the house nearly finished, he turns to crafting its first piece of furniture, a sturdy wooden bed. Carefully, he selects thick, solid planks, measuring and cutting each one with practiced precision. The rhythmic sound of sawing and hammering fills the room as the frame slowly takes shape. He sands the surface until it's smooth to the touch, ensuring both strength and comfort. One by one, the pieces lock together, transforming raw wood into a cozy resting place. As he sets the final beam in place, the bed stands firm, a simple yet essential creation that will hold warmth and rest for many nights to come. With the walls and roof complete, he turns to the final touch of his home, building and installing a sturdy wooden door. Carefully, he selects thick, solid planks, cutting and planing each one until the surfaces are smooth and edges fit perfectly together. Slowly, the door takes shape as the planks are joined, reinforced with cross beams for extra strength. He sands the entire surface, the natural wood grain glowing warmly under his hands. Carefully, he marks a circle on the ground and begins digging, his shovel biting into the earth with steady precision. Layer by layer, the pit takes form, deep enough to cradle a warm, lasting fire. He lines the walls with river stones, each one fitted snugly to reflect heat and withstand the flames. A sturdy ring of larger stones encircles the top, turning the simple pit into a rustic yet inviting hearth. He takes the outdoor fire pit one step further by adding a sturdy wooden shelter overhead. 4 solid posts rise around the pit, anchored deep into the ground for stability. Across them, he lays beams and fits a sloped wooden roof, designed to shield the flames from rain and wind while letting the smoke escape freely. The combination of natural stone below and warm wood above creates a cozy, inviting corner of place to gather even on rainy nights. With the shelter in place, the fire pit becomes more than just a source of warmth. It's now a year-round haven where light, comfort, and conversation will always find a home. With the wooden roof firmly in place, he begins the careful process of giving it its final layer of protection. A rich wood stain that will seal in strength and beauty for years to come. He stirs the thick honey-colored stain until it gleams, then dips a wide brush deep into the liquid. Slowly and deliberately, he coats each plank, the bristles gliding smoothly across the surface. The raw wood drinks in the stain, its natural grain blooming with new life and warmth. With the house finished and the wooden roof gleaming, he turns his attention to the courtyard, determined to give the outdoor space a clean and sturdy foundation. He levels the ground carefully, removing uneven soil and packing it down until it's perfectly flat. Then, one by one, he lays stone pavers across the open area, each piece fitted tightly against the next like parts of a giant puzzle. With the courtyard complete, he decides to add something playful and personal, a wooden swing crafted entirely by his own hands. He selects 2 sturdy logs for the frame, anchoring them deep into the ground for stability. Across the top, he secures a thick crossbeam, sanding it smooth to ensure strength and safety. For the seat, he carefully cuts and polishes a wide plank, shaping it for comfort. At last, after countless days of tireless effort, the house stands complete, a masterpiece of wood, clay, and stone. Every wall tells a story of patient craftsmanship, each beam bearing the weight of dedication and vision. Sunlight glints off the smooth wooden roof, while the polished courtyard invites footsteps to linger. Inside, the handmade bed waits, the stone stove stands ready to warm countless meals, and the sturdy door opens into a space filled with life and comfort. Thank you so much for watching and joining me on this journey. Every moment of building this home has been filled with dedication, creativity, and countless small victories. I hope you enjoyed watching it come to life as much as I enjoyed creating it. Stay tuned for more projects, and until next time, take care and keep building your dreams.